How to disable Snapchat account temporarily. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to disable Snapchat account temporarily. Open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now, go to the chat section. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, look for the settings icon, usually a gear or cog, and tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the delete account option and tap on it. You will be asked to enter your username and password for verification. Finally, tap on the continue button to confirm the temporary deactivation of your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.